she that woody, that wood. Now your bitch, I got pussy no wood. I won't taco that up. Yeah. I'm ready. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check. Yeah. This record right here called Fearless. I'm gonna make it to the top of your chair. Listen closely. And today ain't no fun to my story over time. See the light to the spoon and then never slow the line. Dropping to my knees, pulling forces from the sky. Tell me life is more than standing on the corner with the guys. Should I go to school with these horrors on my mind? But graduating with honors, they applaud me for mine. So what was I to do with a brother doing time? Graduate from college, get an ordinary job. Pressure turn a nigga to a diamond. Tested to my inner voice, then the nigga started rhyming. Searching for myself, through these lyrics gotta find it. Overcame my favorite heights, then the nigga started climbing. It's all about timing, massaging the ears of drivers, producers that I inspire, maneuvering like a hymen. So I thought that I'd kill you niggas with kindness. A wise man told me if you build them, they will find us. This rap shit saved my life. How you gon' make it to the top if you afraid of heights? It's more than music, it's a way of life. Now I can see it clear through the ray of light. Scared money don't make money. Scared money don't make money. Scared money don't make money. So if you're afraid of heights, get away from it. I'm not afraid of failure, gotta learn from your mistakes. I breathe slow pace and run in my own race. We can all win, you niggas just wanna envy. Social following is not more important than point of entry. What's fear? A fear is an emotional belief that causes you to believe in something you cannot defeat. Shit, I done rolled the pink all my life, got the blueprint. I done rolled the pink all my life, and I never knew it. It's ironic how the hell us do it. I'm in a class all alone like neglected students. Paint a picture like Stephen Lucian. I'm perfecting this a blessing, I'm perfecting this impression movement. Living out my dreams, I'ma find my way up. For the passion, not the money like a college player. And I eat shit and sleep, this is just a way of life. How you gonna make it to the top if you afraid of heights, huh? Yeah, this rap shit saved my life. How you gonna make it to the top if you afraid of heights? It's more than music, it's a way of life. Now I can see it clear through the ray of light. Scared money don't make money. Scared money don't make money. Scared money don't make money. So if you afraid of heights, get away from it. The block talking, I'm playing music on the vibe office. Getting well acquainted, me and Dave Swan talking. Only a 2-year time margin. Plus I'm a boss, if I wanted I could sign artists. And I made it this far cause I grind harder. Ears open to the wise, plus I'm lying hearted. Now I'm scratching all the goals off of my agenda. Down agenda for a photo shoot shining on them. I'm a different breed, I'm prepared for a bigger league. Surfing through these hits, I can pitch for Creed. It all started with a vision first. If you wasn't with me in the gym, then you don't get the perks. I told my mama I'll be back, I got a check to chase. Plus I promised I'd get her off Section 8. Still all this money in this world won't make it right. But the least that I can say, I ain't afraid of heights. Thank God, DJ, stop that. Alright, I want to get everybody's attention real fast. We're going to get into these lyrics, thought-provoking lyrics, meaningful content. I say, middle finger to my competition. My clairvoyance like omnivision. Reflecting on the past, I ain't have a pot to piss in. I rob a bank before I let my brother die in prison. Shit, I'm just trying to take it song by song. Me and my brother Frank about to take this world by storm. Watch the rain flush away the pain. Ain't nothing changed, my rhyme spews like typhoons, boa the hurricanes. The God MC, if you haven't noticed, thou shalt not mention me with these average jokers. There's no equality as you can see. When it comes to rap, the only time I disagree with Dr. King's dream. Hold your feelings, niggas quoting lyrics, fireplace lit, romancing out in Leola Village. Hot tub, we soaking, vibing to Tony Bennett. Cigar smoke, corks flying, you know we sipping. I shit on these niggas in my suede slippers. Suites come with vacuums, bathrooms with bidets in them. I'm way fresher than these assholes. 10 grand minimum. Then we let the tab close. It's Rothchilds entertainment. So I don't give a fuck who you banging with. I'm sick of haters. God bless me. Shit, I just blew my nose on a time for a handkerchief. That's the Envoy Club shit. The Brooks Brothers sweater with the plush knit. The Ernest sewn jeans and some fresh J's. You the realest nigga breathing, huh? Guess I'm getting X-rayed. DJ, one love. This one right here to my brother. Been doing life since he was 15. He be 40 in April. But they just passed the law for juvenile lifers. So he gonna be getting a second chance very soon. Shout out to all the juvenile lifers and mass incarceration. Check it out. Can't tell, hold your head, I'ma free you, I swear. No, we talk like every week and rather see you instead. It's been over 20 years since you've been in my presence. So I cried several tears when I ate you this letter. Damn, time flying. Cover my ears, saying mom crying. It's nothing promised, but I promise I'ma die trying. Your knuckles and your knees are standing older on you. The tables soon to turn, now I'm going global. They loving you, Lord, brother, I owe it to you. So what you think I'm fighting for when I go in the booth? The freedom of booty, to teach me a moody. Remember back in Kentucky when you took me to the movies. We cracked jokes, laughed hard, and ate Mike and nights. Good times, never thought you would be doing life. Damn, and yet we both share the same blood. One mother, one sister, one brother, one love. One love. Yeah, so all my niggas with them sentences. One love, one love. Hold your heads till you hit the bricks. One love, one love. Damn, it's hard to say it, so I wrote it down. One love, one love. Until I'm gone, I'ma hold you down. It's ironic how I'm writing you this letter on Father's Day. Cause you've been a father to me in some kind of way. I can see it, there's a brighter day. But your time is coming soon, that's what I'm trying to say. I hear your ball game wicked on the prison flats. And it's a shame that I still ain't get to witness that. But I guess that's where you get it from. Lessons one of many taught. Practicing my form, shooting jumpers on the mini court. I was 5, mama told me you was coming home. Shit, I was so excited, waiting in the cold. Sitting on the steps, how I felt alone. Then the sun went down and you never showed. At the time, I ain't really know what life meant. But when you think about it, I was only 5 then. Damn, and yeah, we both share the same blood. One mother, one sister, one brother, one love. And y'all put one thing in the air for all the people doing time in prison. Just with them sentences. One love, one love. Hold your head till you hit the bricks. I'm sure everybody here got at least one person in prison. Put your one finger in the air. One love, one love. It's a thousand. Looking at your picture just the other day took me back. You used to give me verses off of Gucci Rap and Slick Rick albums, all the classic shit. But you a fighter, you still in pursuit of happiness. And you remind me ain't talking, it's hurting my heart. Her relationship is pulling her further apart. Shit, I hope that you forgive her for the bigger picture. She been going through some things with a nigga Richard. Damn, I swear the jungle don't look the same. A lot of people change, shit be feeling strange. Yeah, niggas is still way back in the days. I'm now using crack, won't mention their names. Damn, excuse the nigga pen this shit. Hold your head till you hit the bricks. Yeah, and yeah, we both share the same blood. One mother, one sister, one brother, one love. One love, one more time. So our loved ones that's locked down through sentences. One love, one love. Hold your head till you hit the bricks. One love, one love. It's hard to say it, so I wrote it down. One love, one love. Until I'm gone, I'ma hold you down. Yes, sir. I like to strike emotional chords with my music. It's more than just, you know, turn up and all that. I got some turn up too. I'm gonna give y'all something right now. That's off of an album that's coming up. It's part of the family. I got the legendary Philly Freeway coming to the stage with me. Gonna tear the stage down. It's right here called Work. Yes, sir.
What's good with y'all? Y'all having a good night or what?
Yeah.
Make some noise for my bro Scholito in the building one time. Let's get it.
Let him
Y'all can come closer if y'all want. I'm trying to rock out, man. We're gonna turn up a little bit.
1, 2.
Hey, love.
Manchester.
On my king shit, you can hear the lion roar. New money got me ballin' like the Final Four. Yeah, I'm looking at my peers like they dinosaurs.
Oh yeah,
I'm on my Benjamin Button, getting younger by the moment. I'm that nigga in public. You don't wanna with me, young, and put it in your budget. So I drop my heaven work before I finish my muffin. You the worker, I'm for working. I deserve it, I'm the teacher. You the learner, I'm for certain. I'm longevity, son, was told never to run. Cause I always keep it 30 on top of 71. With the new machine, your boy working like it's two of me. Yeah, I see y'all niggas fishing like a crew at sea. Who you know for put it down like this? We the hottest thing around this bitch. New Rothchilds.
You ain't never seen no niggas like this.
Hey,
Man, you niggas cut
from a different cloth.
How these niggas know it can't like this?
nigga, we put working just so we can pump. You ain't never put it out, you don't know what that's about. These niggas put it down like this. I like this. You ain't never seen a drought, you ain't never shot it out. They ain't make me, I was found like this. Nigga, work, 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 work. Man, you niggas gotta work, 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 work. Nigga, back to the drawing board. I'm at the table with the corner boards. This is 48 laws in the art of war. Furthermore, you niggas deserve it. On a scale 1 to 10, I know how to work the floor. I prevail through, focus on the ones that'll help you. From the postman to the workers in the mailroom. And yeah, your boys on to make the meals through connections. I perfected my communication skills. Pay attention, walk, stop sprinting. Jogging like Sonic, stop showing kipping. Learn to think before you move and make a mistake. Once I'm through with all this food, I'm taking your plate. It's on the shift like the Dow Jones. Guess the Brooklyn Festival was just a milestone. You ain't fucking with me when I'm in my God zone. Yeah, I'm coming for you, got suckers, y'all blown.
You ain't never seen no niggas like this.
Man, you niggas cut from a different cloth.
How these niggas know it can't like this?
Nigga, we put working just so we can pump.
You ain't never put it out, you don't know what that's about. How these niggas put it down like this?
I like this.
You ain't never seen a drought, you ain't never shot it out. They ain't make me, I was found like this.
Nigga, work, 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 work.
Man, you niggas gotta work,
Work, work, work, work, work, work. Niggas are certified.
When we was serving pies,
Fast money, slow
you
down.
niggas on turtle time.
We getting rap paper.
Giving you facts, player.
Once you roll some bars, more
You
niggas.
castrated.
Dose Alpha
And
Mel.
I Alpha Romeo.
Once a nigga hit the stage,
Watch me hop on my huevos.
put them watches in them
Put
chains.
$1 in the Jacob.
See that model that I came
Shake
with?
out on no makeup.
Be a natural.
We just young niggas
Doing what we had to do.
sitting at the table.
With the kings and the
We
amateurs.
the new Rockefeller.
Still spending old money.
Coming for that diamond line.
Trust fund.
Cold money.
Time to pay these niggas back for the cold crush.
We gon' treat this motherfucker like it's stole from me.
You know them niggas put in their work.
Push the button, you can put in the dirt. New Rothchilds.
You ain't never seen no niggas like this.
Man, you niggas cut from a different cloth.
How these niggas know it can't like this?
Nigga, we been working just so we can pump.
You ain't never put it out, you don't know what that's about. How these niggas put it down like this? You ain't never seen a drought, you ain't never shot it out. They ain't make me, I was found like this.
Nigga, work, 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 work.
Man, you niggas gotta work.
Work, 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 work. I went from oodles and noodles to fettuccine Alfredo. Flew to Belgium for waffles, I come from Lego, my ego. See that chip on my shoulder, came from that chip in my cable. I be out in Mexico, I'm turning dollars to pesos. I go harder than niggas that cook them chips with their queso. They don't speak no English, but they do know my name though. They be talking in plush, they know that be my lingo. Once I hop off the plane, they just be yelling a fuego. Whether fitted or halo, I'm the god on the stage though. I got shooters and seeing low, I connected to Pedro. This is drizzle, water mist, don't make me do more than this. You come to my concerts, leave you on your daughter trench. Oh, I'm so fortunate, this gift I received. I'm a giant in Philly, I'm starting to feel like Embiid. I just roll up my sleeves and hit the studio running. With the orchestra backing me, I just numero one it. I'm the illest, that's why you feeling. I pray that I die a villain. You playing with my adrenaline general, I am militant. Pray that I make my pilgrimage before I lay in hemorrhage. Who I'm competing with, I am of Jacob Harrison. I'm on my It Was Written, I'm on my Biggie flow. I'm on my Machiavelli, like what can you rappers tell me? I pray for my adversaries. I leave a rapper buried just off vocabulary. The God of see Mary Mary. Give it up for the legendary Philly
Ladies and gentlemen, Scholito one time in the building.
Give it up for the DJ.
And make some noise for all the artists that hit the stage tonight is doing their thing. Keep pushing, man. I'm from right around here. If I could be successful and make it, each and every one of y'all can do it too. Holla at your
Yes,
boy.
sir. The Rothchilds.
Yeah. This is real talk, man. You know what I'm saying? Real shit, man.
I be fucking with my fans, man. I be interacting with them, you know? So I'm gonna get down, man. Philly season.
Sound check on the floor.